Good evening, everyone. Medyo kinakabahan ako ng konti, pero sige lang. Firstly, I would like to thank the Guillermo Foundation for recognizing me for this award. I'd like to thank my Viva family, Boss Vic, and the Del Rosario family. Thank you so much for believing in me and giving me the opportunity to work. And of course, to my family, my mom and my dad, thank you so much for not only guiding me, but being an inspiration in my life and my sisters as well. And to Dash, my sister, congrats to you because you also won. And for me, this moment, I'm more proud just because me and you get to share this moment together, and it means the world. And lastly, to everyone here tonight, I just want you guys to know that I look up to all of you, all the stars that are in this room. It means the world that we get to share this moment together, and I get to carry this experience with me for the rest of my life. So thank you so much again for this award, and yun lang. I love you all.